Hi there, I'm Helen Buxton at Articulate, and we help speakers of English as a second language learn clear, confident English pronunciation. Did you know that we switch our voices on and off when we talk? In this video, we're going to demonstrate exactly how that works, and it's a strategy we use throughout all our courses. So let's have a look, see how it works. The aim of this clip is to help you develop your understanding of how we switch our voices on and off when we talk. Now, did you know that the only difference between the sounds t and d is the fact that you can switch your voice on and off?
No.
Okay, so how do we know this? So let's get Nell to demonstrate. Now, put 2 fingers on your throat, just on your Adam's apple. This is also known as your voice box, as it contains the vocal folds that vibrate together to produce your voice. So when you're ready now, say You shouldn't feel any vibration at your fingertips? No vibration? No. Okay, then try saying E.
E.
Now, you should feel a vibration through your fingertips, and this is your voice working. So now try saying t, not t, but t, t. You shouldn't feel any vibration. No?
Nothing.
Good. Then try d.
D.
Did you feel vibration that time? Good. So when you come to working on saying consonants, you'll sometimes be asked to insert a h. This helps you switch your voice on at the right time when you're saying complicated sounds like clusters. So, for example, the word sprite. We'll just do a quick little demonstration. So, you ready? You can take your hand away from your throat now. Okay. So, right.
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 And now shorten the h sound. Sprite.
Sprite.
Very good. So when you're asked to switch your voice on or off during some of the sound production exercises, you'll now know what to do. Thanks, Nell. So that's how we switch our voices on and off when we talk. So on screen you'll see links to our next video and then also to our website where you find all our resources including our free course. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.